Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Gmail, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you turn on IMAP or IMAP in your Gmail? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to turn on IMAP in your Gmail anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're using other service providers to send out emails automatically for you, oftentimes they do ask you to turn on IMAP in your Gmail. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Gmail inside the browser. If you're using something like Thunderbird or Apple Mail or something like that, you can't do it. You need to go into gmail.com. Once you're there, it's going to show you your inbox, as you can see mine right here. And in order to turn on IMAP in your Gmail, you're going to click on this little gear icon. If you have multiple Gmails, make sure you're working in the right one. And you can tell by checking your profile icon right here on the top right. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see this quick settings section right here, but you want to click on this button here towards the top called See All Settings. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you here to the general settings. However, to turn on IMAP in Gmail, on this top bar, you're going to see this menu, and you want to look for this button here called Forwarding and Pop/IMAP. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these settings right here. And in order to turn on IMAP in Gmail, look down here towards the bottom, it says IMAP Access. By default, it's going to say Disable IMAP. If you want to go ahead and turn it on, click on Enable. Okay, now you get to make these customizations about IMAP. So just read through those and make the adjustments as you see fit. And then you'll want to click on Save Changes. Now, depending on what your Gmail settings are, they may need you to go ahead and verify that you are the one turning on IMAP. So usually they're going to ask you to enter in your password and maybe 2FA. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to turn on IMAP in your Gmail, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.